Chai Point. How a cup of chai became an empire of 3,000 crores, bumper sales of 1 lakh cups of chai in 24 hours. Hello, friends. Have you ever thought that one cup of tea can make a business so big that it sells 1 lakh cups of tea in just 24 hours? Do you believe that in a country like India, where there are tea carts on every corner, a startup can take control of this entire market? This is not a fantasy, but reality, and it has been demonstrated by Chai Point. This story is not just about the success of a startup, but about a new business model which understood the Indian craze for tea and turned it into a multi Arab business. In a huge event like Mahakumbh, where lakhs of people come, Chai Point set a new record in just one day. Selling 1 lakh cups of tea is not an ordinary figure, but it shows how far something can go if it has quality, branding, and the right business model. The question is, what was so special about Chai Point's tea that people liked it so much? Was it just the magic of taste, or was there some other big secret hidden in it? Was this success just a fluke, or was there a deeper thought and strategy behind it? Today, we will discuss this topic in depth. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you will be the first to get our new video updates. So let's start today's discussion without any delay. Let us tell you that behind this historic success of Chai Point was a combination of a strong business model and the undying love of Indians for tea. At the Mahakumbh held in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, where crores of devotees and tourists gather together, Chai Point adopted a different kind of marketing strategy. He opened special edition stores where customers were served pure, fresh, and best tasting tea. Looking at the crowd, the company had already expected good sales. But what happened was far ahead of their expectations. Selling 1 lakh cups of tea in one day was a big record for any tea brand. According to Money Control's report, Chai Point sells around 10 lakh cups of tea across India on normal days. But it surprised everyone by selling 1 lakh cups of tea in just 24 hours at Mahakumbh. But Chai Point's success is not limited to Mahakumbh. This is a story that completely changed the business of selling traditional tea. The story begins with Harvard professor Tarun Khanna and his student Amulya Singh Bijral. Both of them were drinking tea in a cafe in Mumbai one day when their eyes fell on a boy on the roadside who was selling tea in a dirty plastic cup. He thought that millions of people in India drink this kind of tea every day, where no attention is paid to cleanliness and quality. That's when an idea came to his mind. If people are given good quality, hygienic, and delicious tea, then it can become a very big business. With this thought, he prepared the idea of Tea Point and decided to turn it into reality. In 2010, he opened the first Chai Point outlet in Koramangala, Bengaluru. In the beginning, he faced many difficulties. There were already innumerable tea carts and small stalls in Indian markets which sold tea at very low prices. In such a situation, it was difficult to create a space for a new brand. But they made quality, cleanliness, and excellent taste their main weapon. Gradually, the people of Bengaluru began to like this new concept. The taste of Chai Point's tea was such that whoever tasted it once, he would definitely come back to drink it again. When it became a success in Bengaluru, he decided to spread it across the country. Over the next 2 years, Chai Point opened its outlets in major cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and Pune. This brand got a great response everywhere. People did not just come to drink tea, but they started to associate with this brand. They believed that whenever they drink tea from Chai Point, they will get the same taste and quality that they have experienced before. It was the power of branding that made Chai Point one of the largest tea brands in India. But the biggest strength of Chai Point was that they incorporated technology into the traditional tea business. They understood that if they use modern technology, they can give a better experience to their customers. With this in mind, he started investing in smart tea vending machines called bots. These machines not only make tea but also remember the customer's preferences so that they can get the taste they want every time. Today, Chai Point has installed more than 5,000 smart machines across the country. These machines are installed in offices, airports, hospitals, and other public places so that people can always enjoy fresh, clean, and great tasting tea. This move by Chai Point not only differentiated it from a traditional tea brand, but transformed it into a tech driven tea company. After this great success, Chai Point is now preparing for its next big step. The company is going to launch IPO, Initial Public Offering, soon. It is believed that Chai Point's IPO may hit the market in May 2025. This will prove to be a big milestone for this company. The founders, employees, and early investors of the company have about 25% stake in it, while the rest of the stake is held by institutional investors. Now, the question arises, what is so special about Chai Point's tea, which made it so popular? Professor Tarun Khanna says that like Coca-Cola and Pepsi have a secret formula, Chai Point also has its own special formula. What this formula is has not been revealed, but it is certain that their method of making tea is special, which gives the same taste and freshness in every cup. This is the reason why people are liking it so fast. The tea business in India is no longer limited to just selling tea, but has become a $1 billion industry. Chai Point is not the only brand that has achieved success in this field. Many startups like Chayos, MBA Chaiwala, Teabox, Chai Thela, and Chai Sutabar are also moving fast in this business. This story of Chai Point proves that if there is the right strategy, innovation, and good quality, then any simple thing can become an extraordinary business. In the coming time, it will be interesting to see how successful the IPO of Chai Point is, and can this company make its mark at the international level? This startup shows that a cup of tea is not just a source of taste, but can also be a business worth crores of rupees. If you like our content and want to make our efforts even stronger, you can support us through the QR code given in the video or the UPI ID given in the description. Your every small contribution is valuable to us and will inspire us to make even better and informative videos. Your support is our strength. Also, if this video taught you something new or you felt that this information should reach others as well, then do not forget to like and share the video. If you have any questions or suggestions in mind, then do let us know in the comments. We look forward to answering your every question and listening to suggestions. And yes, if you want to stay updated with our every new video in the future, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get every new information first. GRT Business always strives to give you accurate and reliable information. Our news is obtained from various news agencies, public opinion, and public sources. We try our best to verify every report, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our sole aim is to provide you with accurate and reliable information.